Part 7. 5, 2, 7. I can add. I have fingers, but I'm holding the camera, so I can't do it with both hands. It's really silly. But yeah, part 7. This little one is just one on marketing. If you've seen the last few pieces on this, the other parts, whatever, you would have seen that we did a quick financial breakdown of what it costs us. We talked about me and the chief instructor going in 50-50, so it's all fair. And also, it was a very gradual, steady, opening of the venue. It was for the club. That's what we did it for. We wanted a central location for the club to say, there's over 250 students in Matrix at the minute, and we plus all of our instructors and things like that. We just sort of wanted to go, look, we want to open a place where we have an additional venue that you can come and train, that you can come and enjoy, that you can get a little bit more out of than you can in our satellite venues. Yeah, not all our satellite venues have the option for us to store things there. So bags, Wave Masters, some of our satellites don't have them. None of them have mats. Okay, we want to make sure that it offered something more to our existing student population. But marketing. I built my part of Matrix on Facebook. Okay, with a casual smattering of leafleting in the area. But Facebook was it. Facebook built my bit of Matrix. Yeah, I can't deny that. I can't. Okay. Now, when I say built, I do mean as in paid advertising. Okay. And I know lots of people do it, and I know a lot of people that don't, and a lot of people don't think it works. I will advocate that in the past, key point, Facebook marketing was the most underpriced marketing option for small businesses. And I will swear by that till the day I die, okay? Because it took my part of the club from about 40 to 50 members to, at its absolute maximum, when I had a really weird burst when I opened a new class, up to about 216 over the space of 4 years, 5 years, 4 years, yeah? Of almost completely Facebook marketing, okay? In terms of what I was doing actively to say, look, we do classes, come try them. Yes, I understand referrals were also a massive part of that, and people saying, hey, you should try this, but a lot of people tag their friends in Facebook. Do it.